Hello Gems, my name is T. Welcome back to Gem City Budgets. In today's video, I am working in my holiday binder. I have $50 in prop money. So let's get into it. See, where are we going first? A Black Friday, of course, because that is right around the corner. I just cannot wait to hit up Kohl's. That is like my favorite store to go to on Black Friday, because like I think I mentioned it before, I like to get like brand new towels, washcloth, sheets, and little gadgets for the house, especially like the kitchen, like new spatulas and baking pans and stuff like that. So yeah, I can't wait. All right, so this challenge is Feeling Festive, created by Budget with Carly, say $75. We're going to have to do a couple of scratches. So I want to get this done. Let's start here. Oh, no. That is a 10, so maybe maybe we just do 2. Whoa, this is some big numbers. Let's go. Where should I go? Should I go here? And that is a 4. So $14 so far. Oh, dear. I wanted to do 3. Should I do 3? Because some of these can really wait. Like Easter. Yeah, let's go ahead and do 3. Let's do 3. Let's do 3. Let's do this one. Woo, and that is a 5. Jeez, $19. Yeah, like I said, I wanted to get this done. So, do I got $1? Yes, so let's go ahead and put 20. 5, 10, 15, 20. Okay. All right. And then maybe next week I'll be able to finish this. Girl, you pressing your luck. I know. So I already got $340 saved. So hopefully we get that $75 added in there. And we got a new Christmas. This is created by Snow Garden 307. Christmas on my mind. And this totals $100. Amounts 3 through 15. And I also have this side. I don't know if I'm going to get to this side, but let's start with this side. Let's go right here. Ooh, I got the highest number. What is up with today? We only gonna do 1, so that's $15. Goodness, 5, 10, 15. All right. Next is New Year's. And this says $25, and it's also created by Snow Garden 307. So let's go here. $5. All right, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Perfect. And let me see. I want to skip Valentine's, Easter, and go to birthday because my birthday is in January. So, yeah. So this is created by Bookish Mama Budgets. And this is a scratch, roll, and save. So let's do a scratch. Oh, Lindsay. Okay, Lindsay is nice. She gave me a 2. So 1 and 2. Well, I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. $9. Should I do a roll? Because how many rolls I got left? 1, 2. I think it's only 2 rolls. Yeah, let's go ahead and no. I don't know. We'll just keep it like that. All right. Let's go. Should we go back to New Year? Oh, we did New Year's. Yeah, we did New Year's. We need to do Valentine's Day. Oh, we got 2 scratches. Oh dear. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. $9. Okay. This say 65 by Budget with Carly. So let's do this one. And that is a 7. So we got 1 scratch left. 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. $2 left. Let me see. Easter, I don't think we're going to be able to do. No, that's 3 through 9. So we definitely not going to do that. So we just go back to birthday. That works out. And we'll put the $2 in here. So let's put $2 in there. Perfect. So $2. And I don't know how much it saves. So that is perfect. All right, gems, that was a nice quick video. Let me know down below, do you guys like shorter videos or do you guys like longer videos? I'm trying to get my game plan on for 2026. So let me know down below because I am curious to hear your honest opinion. So do you like shorter videos or longer videos? Let me know down below. And also, what else would you like to see from Gem City Budgets? Let me know that also. All right, gems, that is it. That was $50 put into my holiday binder. Thank you, everyone, for your love and support. If you want to continue to follow me on this financial journey, please subscribe to the channel or share with a friend. And remember to stay magical. Bye, gems.